सांगू तुमका दोळ्यांनी येता दुका सासू मोजी मेल्या गेल्यात सुमारान आय कितें सांगू तुमका दोळ्यांनी येता दुका सासू मोजी मेल्या गेल्यात सुमारान काय बोरी सासू मोजी देरेफेत मोरोन गेली मावड्या गेल्यारूच पयली गोडवेंगेन म्हाका दोरी
तुमका सलाम आमचो तुमका सलाम तुमका सलाम आमचो तुमका सलाम तुमच्या रक्तात तुमीत पयले इतिहासाचे पान तुमका सलाम आमचो तुमका सलाम.
She weighs my ring to show the world that she belongs to me. She wears my ring to show the world she's mine eternally with loving care.
Day after day, time passed away, and I just can't get you off my mind. Nobody knows I'm hiding inside. I keep on searching, but I can't find.
दिखानी सोदला तुका तू सोदून लेगीत मेळना तू सोदून लेगीत मेळना म्हाका दर्या दिसलो ना म्हाका ल्हार मेळना म्हाका येवचें आसलें तुजेच कडेन म्हाका वाट समजली ना.
When I am down I know my soul so weary. When troubles come and my heart burdened be, and I am still awake there in the silence until you come and sit a while with me.
This thing called love, it cries in a cradle all night, it swings, it dries. It shakes all over like a jellyfish. I kinda like it, yeah. Raise a little thing called love.
There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you will never be afraid of what you are. There's an answer. If you look inside your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away, and then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can't survive.
Hearts burning like they were on fire, flames changing my life to desire. Babe, my heart is screaming to save. Girl, we got to go on our way.
Not sure if you know this. When we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. From that very moment, I finally found it. I finally found this missing piece.
Setembra ciso vistarik soglang ugrasu tele. Poyatam chason sara cercalche ratu de taile. Gori pace sangati sonsarat poyat pat keli. Voi made tire saya sonsarat bagimoto tole.
It's late in the evening, wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight.
Kenna, tu yetele. Buscando já caris mojen sukon go gele. Kenna, tu yetele. Buscando já caris mojen sukon go gele. Moga tu ye ani go pan makange. 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 I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. Come on, louder people, come on. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. A little louder, come on. Oh, every time I close my eye, what you see, what you see? I see my name in shining light.
Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Search your heart, search your soul, and when you find me there, you'll search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for.
This thing called love, I just can't handle it. This thing called love, I must get around to it. You gotta like it, crazy little thing called love. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. Try to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. Felt right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, and I won't hesitate no more. No more, yeah, cannot wait. I'm yours.
परसु तुझे गियो यो साल यो परसु तुझे गियो
त्या दिसा वडाकडे कडद तिंसना मंद मंद वाजत आयली तुझी ग पायजणा हो त्या दिसा वडाकडे कडद तिंसना. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks. And now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool runs out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's in my turn to win some or learn some.
Benra festa gello tiani mane aitara Ferien bauta bauta waran zaitai libara Chone kara manad bab chone goram wara Chone khang ullo thesar paula nagara.
It makes me feel so bad when she tells me I have more than that she needs. It makes me feel so sad when I'm the one that makes her feel so complete. Does she know that I'm not everything that she's dreaming of? Does she know I'll only break her heart?
I just want you close, where you can stay forever. You can be sure that it will only get better. You and me together through the days and nights. I don't worry 'cause everything's gonna be alright.
I didn't really hurt you, I never thought before out of place. Hey, and I missed something that I love long, but my friends keep on telling me that something's wrong, and I missed someone. And hey, there's nothing else I can say. Hey, hey, there's nothing else I can say. Hey, hey, fish should never look at me that way. Hey, hey.
Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight? Would you tremble if I touched your lips? Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. Now would you die for the one you love? Hold me in your arms tonight.
Moment that we all have been waiting for. I'm going to declare the results. These, ladies and gentlemen, are your semi-finalists in the Konkani section. Ladies and gentlemen, can we hear a big round of applause for our semi-finalists in the Konkani category? Alright guys, can we hear a big round of applause for our semi-finalists in the English category? In the Konkani category, I'd like you to applaud for our third place winner, Colin Gonzalez. And the second place in the Konkani category goes out to Vibhav Amonkar. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the first place Konkani category Mapusa auditions is none other than Ruby Fernandez. And the third place English category Mapusa audition goes to Carl D'Souza. And the second place goes out to Anais Gonzalez. The first place English section, I can't hear you. Absolutely right, Ruby Fernandez.